Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about types of gauges in quality instrument. This topic is very important for quality inspection and mechanical engineering. So first of all, let's understand what is gauges. A gauge is a measuring tool used to check whether a component is within specified limit or not. It does not give an exact value, but it tells whether the part is acceptable or non-acceptable. Now let's discuss the main types of gauges. So first gauge is a plug gauge. Then what is plug gauge? So what is the use of plug gauge? So it is used to check internal dia of an object. So the types of plug gauge: plain plug gauge, cylindrical plug gauge. Then second one is threaded plug gauge. Then third one is taper plug gauge, and fourth one is progressive plug gauge. Then second one is ring gauge. So what is ring gauge? So it is used to check external dia of the object. So types of ring gauge: plain ring gauge or cylindrical ring gauge. Then second one is threaded ring gauge. And third one is taper ring gauge. Then another gauge name is snap gauge. What is snap gauge? Suppose it is used to check outside diameter of an object. So then types of snap gauge. First one is plain or single-ended snap gauge, a plain single-ended gauge. Then second one is double-ended snap gauge. And third one is adjustable snap gauge. Then another gauge name is filler gauge. What is filler gauge? A filler gauge is used to measure gap of two matching parts. Filler gauge are mostly used in engineering to measure the clearance between two parts. Again, a filler gauge is used for measure gap of two matching parts. Filler gauge are mostly used in engineering to measure the clearance between two parts. Then another gauge name is radius or fillet gauge. What is radius or fillet gauge? A radius gauge is also known as a fillet gauge. Radius gauge is used to check inner or outer radius of an object. Then another gauge name is threaded gauge. So what is thread gauge? A thread gauge is also known as a screw gauge or pitch gauge. It is used to check threaded pitch of knot and bolt. Again, a thread gauge is also known as a screw gauge or pitch gauge. It is used to check thread pitch of knot and bolt. Then another gauge name is drill gauge. What is a drill gauge? A drill gauge is used to check dia of the drill. Then another gauge name is a drill angle gauge. A drill angle gauge is used to check drill point angle. When the grinding point angle of drill, it is used to check point angle. Another gauge name is center gauge. What is center gauge? A center gauge is used to check point angle of thread cutting tool. During the grinding tool bits, center measure point angle of tools. Then another gauge name is very important gauge, depth gauge. So what is depth gauge? A depth gauge is used to measure depth of an object. Then another very important gauge is slip gauge. What is slip gauge? A slip gauge is used for inspection and calibration of measuring instrument. It is used to maintain the height of an sign bar. Again, the slip gauge is used for inspection and calibration of a measuring instrument. It is also used to maintain the height of the sign bar. Then another gauge block name is the angle gauge block. Angle gauge block. So what is the use of angle gauge block? So angle gauge block is used to check the angle of an object. A angle gauge block is used to check the angle of an object. Then another gauge name is wire gauge. Wire gauge is used to measure dia of the wire and measure thickness of the sheet as well. Wire gauge is used to measure dia of wire and measure thickness of sheet as well. Another gauge name is taper gauge. A taper gauge is used for inspection of hole diameter, groove diameter, gaps, taper hole diameter, etc. Again, taper gauge. A taper gauge is used for inspection of hole diameter, groove diameter, gaps, taper hole diameter, etc. And another gauge name is very important gauge, dial gauge. What is dial gauge? So dial gauge is used for the main purpose of the dial gauge is used to check flatness, runout, cylindricity, compare to surfaces, circularity, check variation, etc. Then two types of dial gauges max to max company are used. First one is plunger gauge, second one is lever gauge. So another gauge name is telescoping gauge. So what is telescoping gauge? So telescoping gauge are indirect measuring devices to measure the internal dia of bore, hole, slot, etc. Then another gauge name is bore gauge. What is bore gauge? So bore gauge is used to check internal deep bore holes. Bore gauge is used to check internal deep bore holes. So another gauge name is oiled gauge. So oiling gauge are inspection gauge used for checking alignment, checking dimension of oil bead, verifying oil dimension, etc. Then oiling gauge are inspection gauge used for checking alignment, checking dimension of oil bead, verifying oil dimension, etc. Then that's all of for me. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more quality engineering videos. So thank you for your watching.